Hello children, our today's topic is dividing 4-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Find the quotient and remainder and verify the answer. 8487 divided by 6. So let's start its division. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Start with thousands. 8 divided by 6. The first step is 8 divided by 6. So 6 ones are 6. With this 1 as a quotient, we'll take 1 as a quotient and 6 will write here. 8 minus 6, 2 as a remainder. Bring down the next place, that is 4 from hundreds place. Now 24 is the new dividend. So 6 4s are 24. So write 4 as a quotient here and 24 will come here. After subtracting, we will get 0 as a remainder. Now bring down 8 from tens place. Now 8 divided by 6, again 6 ones are 6. We will take 1 as a quotient. 6 will come here. 8 minus 6, 2. 2 as a remainder. Bring down 7 from ones place. 27 divided by 6. 6 4s are 24. So we'll take 4 as a quotient and 24 will come here. After subtracting, we will get 3 as a remainder. Now you can see our dividend is 8487. Divisor is 6. Our quotient is 1414 and remainder is 3. With the use of these, we can verify the answer. For the verification, we'll write the formula, that is dividend equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Put a value. Dividend is 8487, divisor 6, quotient 1414. So remainder is 3. Use rough side for the calculation. 1414 multiply 6. As you know that 6 4s are 24. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. 6 4s are 24. 6 plus 1 6. 6 multiplied by 1 equals to 6. 6 plus 2 8. Here after multiplication of these two numbers, we will get 8484 plus 3 also. So add 3 here. We will get 4 plus 3 7, 8, 4, 8. So 8487 equals to 8487. If both are equal, then it is, our answer is verified. Hope you understand. Let's move to the next topic. Now let's start our next topic, statement sums. Before starting it, let's know about division keywords. Division is the just reverse of multiplication. In division, they will give the information about more and will ask for 1, or detail of many is given asked for one or each. It will be more clear with these examples. If 620 biscuits to be packed in 5 packets, how many biscuits will be packed in 1 packet? If you will see this statement carefully, you can see they have given the information about 620 biscuits. They have given the information about more and asking for only one packet. They have given the information about 620 biscuits that has been packed in 5 packets and asking for 1 packet. That how many biscuits will be packed in 1 packet. So let's start. Number of biscuits packed in 5 packets, that is 620. Now they are asking about 1. So write down number of biscuits packed in 1 packet. If they have given the information about more and asking for 1, it's clear that we have to do division. So 620 divided by 5. Here we can use the rough side for the division. Ones, tens, hundreds. Start with hundreds. 6 divided by 5. As you know that 5 ones are 5, so 1 will come here as a quotient and 6 minus 5 equals to 1 as a remainder. Now bring down 2 from tens place. Now 12 is the dividend. 12 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Right here 10 and 2 as a quotient. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Now bring down the next digit, that is 0, from ones place. Now the number is 20. Dividend is 20. 20 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 20, 0. That means 124 is the question and it is our answer also. Right here 124. Therefore 124 biscuits will be packed in 1 packet. Let's take another example. Four shirts cost rupees 960. How much does one shirt cost? They have given the information about 4 shirts cost and asking for 1. Let's do again the division, because they have given the information about more and asking for 1. Write down cost of 4 shirts equals to rupees 960. Cost of 1 shirt equals to, if they are asking about 1, we will do division. So write down 960 divided by 4. Let's do the division here in the rough side. 960 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor. So let's do the table of 4. 9 divided by 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 will come as a quotient. 9 minus 8, we get 1 as a remainder. Bring down 6 from tens place. Now 16 is the new dividend. In the table of 4, 16 will come. Yes, as you know that 4 4s are 16. So write down 4 as a quotient and 16 as a 16 will come here. 16 minus 16, 0. Bring down the next digit, that is 0 from the ones place. 0 is the new dividend. 0 divided by 4. As you know that when we divide 0 by any number, we get 0 as a quotient, and 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So 0 as a remainder, 240 is a quotient. 240 is a quotient, so rupees 240 is our answer also. Therefore, the cost of one shirt is rupees 240. Do more and more practice. Thank you.